This week I am testing the luxury 5-seater Porsche Cayenne Coupe. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Porsche Cayenne Coupe, there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and they're really nice and easy to connect to. There are top seller anchorages on the back of all three seat backs and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now, I could easily fit 3 Infosecure child seats across this back row. I have got the Infosecure Adapt More rear facing, the infant capsule. I've got the Infosecure Momentum More in the middle facing forward and the Achieve More facing forward on the far side. Now, I found legroom really great in here. We could fit a 186 centimetre driver in front of the rear facing Infosecure Adapt More capsule, so even taller would fit in front of a forward facing child seat. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the links here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box and in the rear side pillars in the Cayenne Coupe, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back at the right temperature while driving along. There's also a button in the front ceiling, so grown-ups in the front can turn the rear lights on and off easily. Storage in the back of the Porsche Cayenne Coupe is good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They would hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, or a child's sippy cup will fit in there too. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They'll hold but not conceal an iPad. And in the back of the central console box, there's a little shelf there for a mobile phone, and there's USB-C sockets and a 12-volt socket there for charging too. The door bins in the back are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and in front of them is a large storage area. There's a phone charging tray with a retractable lid that also has USB-C sockets in there, and the central console box is a good size as well. The glove box is a great size in the front. That will hold a wallet and iPad with the manual, and the door bins are great in the front. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad or wallet fits in them too. The media system in the Porsche Cayenne Coupe is really lovely and modern and easy to use. It's got some great things in here like the weather. So I can see it's going to rain soon, and we're in for a couple of days of rain, so I better hurry up and film this before it does. There's some other lovely things in here as well. So you can control the climate through here. Some great things in here, so you can deal with the air quality, and you can control the rear climate from here as well, which is good. You can control things within the car as well. So the lighting, one of the lovely things as well, you can adjust the front passenger seat. So after pressing that, I can use the controls on the side of my seat to adjust the front passenger seat, which is really handy when kids are getting in and out past child seats in the back at school pickup. You've got sat-nav in here as well, but you also, within the settings, there's lots of things that you can adjust to here as well. You can really tailor it to how you like it. So as I said, you've got built-in navigation as well. And you've also got YouTube and Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic, so you can access your phone while you're driving. Now, when you put it into reverse, the camera images are fantastic in this car. You can silence the parking sensors easily with the button here, and you've got camera angles really from just about everywhere on the outside of the car, which is really good. And you've even got for the back a washer for that rear camera. You can see it's just squirted it there and made it nice and clean, which is a lovely detail. The boot door of the Porsche Cayenne Coupe opens electronically with just the touch of a button and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 15 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 6 shopping bags, or a medium to large size dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Lerk Baby Influencer XL, which is a one-handed fold stroller, making parenting easier for families. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Lerk Baby Influencer XL stroller fits with 9 shopping bags. The Lerk Baby Influencer XL stroller with bassinet fits with 5 shopping bags. And the Lerk Baby Influencer XL stroller with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 10 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Lerk Baby Influencer XL stroller. The Porsche Cayenne Coupe is a really fun car to drive. It's really punchy, really smooth, nice and cocooned and quiet from the outside world and road and wind noise. The exhaust noise is a little bit loud when you put your foot down, but that's nice. Now, visibility is great in here. When you've got 3 child seats installed in the back, you can still see over the top of them, and down the side is good too. Now, the cameras are excellent in here if you need more visibility as well. The turning circle is pretty good in here for quite a big car, so school and supermarket car parks and places like that are really nice and easy. So to sum up with the Porsche Cayenne Coupe, it does make a fantastic family baby drive. You can easily fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back row with great legroom in the front for the driver, even with rear-facing child seats. The boot space is fantastic in here. We can easily fit the Lerk Baby single hand fold stroller in the boot with plenty of room for a family shop too. The media system is excellent in here. The cameras are very clear and fantastic, and the drive is really, really nice.